How to sell PI token. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, and then in the search bar you need to search for hdx.com. In the HDX, you must have your PI network token. So you simply have to launch the HDX, and then you need to log into your account. Well, once you have been logged into your account, you need to select the buy network and you need to come to its start. Over here, if you scroll down a bit, you'll find the option of buy and sell. As we're looking on how to sell the PI token, you have to move into the section of login to sell. Over here, it will show you the current price of the PI network that you want to sell. And here in the amount section, you need to enter the amount of the PI network that you want to sell. After that, you can use this slider in order to set the limit of the PI network that you want to sell. After that, in the total section, you will get to see the total amount of USDT that you're going to receive. Once it has been done, click on login to sell. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can sell PI token. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.